So that's the only laboratory, huh?
Yes, it's the only one.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. So, hello my friends. MABO is back in the studio. Just came back for my annual checkup with my doctor. And as expected, everything is okay. Clean bill of health, blood work, everything is good. Blood pressure. In fact, he mentioned I was a beast.
No, honey. He said obese.
Oh, is that what he said?
Yes.
Obese.
Yes.
Oh, that's not nice. That's kind of rude. Anyway, I guess I'm another beast. So... Okay, so I thought I maybe can continue on the same day, but...
Dad, you got a package.
Oh, what's this? Oh, yes. This is the musekit, which... Let's open it and take a look what's inside, okay, shall we? everything you need for a complete project. Look at this. There's the instructions. There's, oh, look at this. Oh, nice. Look at this. You can put your paintbrush and everything in there. Beautiful. Okay, paint tray. Metal. Then we have, look at this, there's a sponge in there. There's acrylic paints. There's graphite pencils. Beautiful. Look at all that stuff. And then we have a lollipop. A lollipop in there. That's wonderful. My daughter grabs that right away. Okay. And now we have panels. 5x5. 2 of them. And 5x7s. Okay, the link will be in the description about the musekits. All the informations will be in there. And I was told, because I'm an experienced artist, I can actually incorporate that in my own artwork, in my paintings, which I will do, not with this one because this is nearly done, but in my next painting. So check the descriptions and the below the video, and for information if you're interested in those kits. Okay, and I believe they come every month for a new project, so that would be good for anybody who loves art and is maybe in the beginner or even in the advanced level. Monthly art kit. Thank you. Okay, my friends, 2 days have passed. I was busy with other commitments. Gonna continue now. There's quite a bit of texture now, so that's perfect for using the oil pastels. Hello everybody, hello my friends. Here we have the latest, the frame test. I struggled a little with the name. It looks a little bit like a high-rise building covered in colorful rain. However, I ended up just calling it boxes. So if you want this painting, as always, a one and only, you know what to do. Send me a message through my email and make sure you listen to my next announcement. It's a very, very important announcement, especially for you. It will be posted on all my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube, probably. Okay, so watch out for that one. In the meantime, be nice to each other, peace on earth, and we see you in my next video. Bye-bye.